Hi, this is Mike from forextrading.com, and this is one of my real accounts. I'm going to show you today how to make $500, $300, $500, $800 in the real trades. You're going to see more of that in our Forex trading project. You can get the free course. This is the video number 1, but you're going to see more videos and real trades like this in our free crash course. This is a $500 worth of course that you can get absolutely for free in our forextrading.com website. There's a 5-day challenge where you're gonna see trades like this, and this video shows you the first most repeating pattern, which looks exactly like this. So now I hope you really focus. This is the most repeated chart pattern. I call it pattern number 2. You're gonna see our clients trading it. You're gonna see hundreds of trades based on my account and different clients. Our project started in 2010, so it is one of the few projects that really exist over 10 years. So at forextrading.com, you're gonna learn 12 of these patterns. I'm just gonna show you one, the most repeated chart pattern. You're gonna see a lot of trade examples. This is just one of them. And this is the pattern I was talking about. So this is pattern number 2. You have to remember this image. There's gonna be 12 patterns like this. And now I'm gonna show you on the live charts and the historical trades in the past based on my real account and our clients. There's hundreds of people trading this pattern. Repeated patterns are occurring on different instruments. So we're talking about Bitcoin, cryptocurrencies, currencies per gold. And most important, you can use it right away. So I'm talking about first few minutes of watching our video. You're gonna learn how the pattern looks like and how it works in the practice. So I'm gonna show you some trade examples, how exactly it works. Let's go to one of those folders. Let's get inside and I'll show you again 3 examples. This is a pattern number 2 that you learn really quickly. So imagine if I can show you that in few moments. You see the patterns here. I'm not even marking them anymore. I hope they're pretty visible. There's a lot of trades like this. We can find them right now at the charts. This is repeatedly show up at different moments or different time frames, at 5-minute charts, at 30-minute charts, at the daily charts. And these are the best moments to trade. You see, this is pattern number 2. And this is most likely what you're gonna see in our group. There's hundreds, if not thousands of people already using this simple technology, because this is the simple tool that you can learn, start to trade in just an hour of watching our videos in the free crash course. And then maybe if you need more knowledge, use the professional mentoring course. We got it all recorded on the video, 10 years of experience. And these are all trades executed by our clients. So we're talking about the same patterns on the chart. Some of these traders are doing $300, $500 in a trade. Some of them are doing $12, $7, $8, $15,000 a trade. So we're talking about the serious volume for a personal trading at least. In the second video, in the video number 2, this is the news trading in a different country. Our projects exist in the 2 different countries. So one of them is in Europe, the other one is based in US. Both of them function since 2010. So there's a lot of people trading news, for example. This is the video number 2 that you're gonna get to know that. If you're watching that in the YouTube, you can click below and get the link for the full crash course. Again, crash course looks like this. So you're gonna know how to start trading, how to make first $800. How does it work? What is the first winning pattern? Because now I'm really showing you the second most repeated pattern at the charts. You can see it in the different charts of the currency pairs, cryptocurrency. This is gold, this is oil, and this is all the same pattern that you can find in the different charts, daily charts, 30-minute charts, different instruments at different moments of the day. Check our free course on the forextrading.com. Behind me, I don't know if you can see, but there's a chair. You can join our webinar physically. I can invite you to show your trades, or you can join our webinar online to show your first results. These are people from around the world which are showing the repeated pattern number 2, the most repeated pattern that you can find on the charts. This is all the same pattern that you're looking right now. This is part of the training process, for example. When you will be ready, you will be probably scheduling a call to get more information about the mentoring course. Depends time of the year. There's 2 seats available. Sometimes there's 5 seats. The course doesn't start every week. So most likely it's once or twice a year that you can use this situation to get the phone call with me, to get to know what we're doing at the course, what kind of results, how quick you can expect to trade in a week, 2 weeks of time to earn first $1,000 $10,000 at the market and get to know, if not all of them, most of the 12 repeated patterns to see how the other people are showing their results in practice. This is very often just week, 2 weeks, 4 weeks of experience, people sending their results in our group. This is one of the few places in the world where actual private investors are showing the repeated pattern that they learned in Forex trading to use it right away. Some of those investors I'm showing right now are having few weeks of a training. Some of them are trading with us for 3-4 years already. I hope you have fun. Join our free webinars as well. I can invite you as well to show your results online, so you can join our webinar, show how it goes after a few days of training, that it really works. At our website, this is where you can get free crash course. You can join the webinar for free, and there is a surprise Facebook group. Meet people like yourself who just started to trade, who trade for 5, 6, 7 years already with our project. And besides the winning patterns, that's how I call it, the repeated chart patterns, in the video number 2, you're gonna learn how to use the news at the market. So how to trade in particular time. I'm showing how to trade at 1 p.m., how to trade at 4 p.m., how to wait at those moments when the news are coming out. So a lot of investors are not using that or don't know about it. This is what we have learned, what I have learned in a proprietary trading company. Before I was working in the bank in 2009, 2010, I quit my job. I moved to Mexico. So this is another thing that you can follow me online. Everything's open here. You can see how I live. You can see how I spend most of the time in the jungle house in Riviera Maya in Mexico. I'm going to be sharing a lot of that sometimes at some webinar, how we spend time, what do we do in free time, how I live, how I travel to US, how I travel, what do I do around the world. Because trading was one of my first passions. This is what happens, but then there's much more: traveling, life. What do we do with this freedom? What's happening in the project generally? So this is Mike. I hope you join us at our webinars, and you take care. I see you in the future.